Balitang boxing naman, matapos ang panalo ni IBF Super Flyweight Champion Jerwin Ancahas ngayong buwan, isa na namang Pinoy pugilist ang sasabak sa matinding bakbakan, katapat ang undefeated Singaporean boxer. May report si Maria Isabel Reyes.
Parehong nagpakitang gilas sina Singaporean boxer Muhammad The Chosen One Ridwan at Filipino boxer Jason Umbal sa isang open workout na ginanap sa The Fort Taguig para paghandaan ang Ringstar Boxing's Roar of Singapore 4 Night of Champions. Saksi ang PTV Sports sa pagpapakitang gilas ng dalawa na excited na para sa kanilang much-awaited fight. Naniniwala si Ridwan na malaking hakbang sa kanyang karir kung patuloy niyang mapapanatili ang kanyang clean loss record sa kabila ng edge ni Umbal sa world ranking.
I think this age, I think mental toughness, and I'm going to be home crowd. My coach is Filipino also, he was from Ala Gym, so he knows the Filipino style well. He prepares me to the best of my abilities, and I have a good relationship with him, and I think he's my secret weapon for the night.
Samantala, ibinahagi naman ng Camiguin Islang pugilist ang kanyang target para maging sure win ang kanyang laban.
Kaya pag hometown, kung abot tayo ng round, kahit bugbugin mo pa, wala. Hindi tayo mananalo dyan. Kailangan knock-out talaga.
Maghaharap ang dalawa para sa bakanteng Intercontinental Featherweight title sa April 20 na gaganapin sa Singapore. Maria Isabel Reyes, PTV Sports.